Welcome to S&S Adventures. Guess what we have here? We got new equipment for diving. Today we'll be checking out some scuba diving stuff. Before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We have some aqua lung fins and some Cressi things in the box. Our dad has opened the box already. We have the fins, and the main part is what's inside the box. We have the snorkel, the mask, and we have the regulator, and then we have the BCD jacket. And we have the bag to put everything inside. We're going to show you what's inside this bag. Well, this is the dive computer. When this turns right, it's bad. You have to walk to the surface. This is the main regulator. This is your backup regulator. It's yellow. Yellow is for emergencies. This part is screwed onto the tank. I'm going to show you what's inside the BCD jacket. This is where you put your weights. You have two big pockets on each side. This is what you press this for your buoyancy if you want to float up. And this is the bag to sort everything out. It's very deep to put everything inside. It has pockets over here and here. This part is where you open it, and it has a very tiny pocket here. And a pocket over here.